could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the
Okay geng, so perjalanan menuju ke Genting Jalan agak sedikit basah Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So kita bertemu lagi. Untuk video kali ni aku nak naik Genting. Ui, Lemau geng. So untuk video ni aku nak naik Genting Aku tak boleh lah visor gelap ni. Tak nampak siap. Laju siap dia orang. Depan ni semua laju-laju geng. Oh gelap bang. Oh kena buka. Kena tinggal. Okay geng, motor aku dia totally lost power naik bukit. Aku tak pasti sebabkan apa. Sebelum ni kalau gear 4, gear 5 tu memang dia dah lost power. Tapi ini gear 3 baik, dia dah lost power. Aku pun tak faham lah. Mungkin sebab aku tak setting aku punya exhaust kan. So macam tu lah. Pisang kan. Tapi tak apa, kita layan je lah. So slow Genting follow your own pace. Tu je aku selalu pesan dekat diri aku sendiri. Tak payah nak push kalau tak boleh. Kalau boleh push lah.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me, See if I believe they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Kabus kan, kabus. Kabus kan, kabus. Siu, siu. Aku harap tak hujan lah. Kalau hujan pisang mat. Memang aku slow, paling slow. Ini pun dah slow ni. Aku aja main gear 2 ni. Aduh. Lemah. Lemah. Sejuk kan? Oh, sejuk. Bila aku lepas minyak kan, bila aku lepas minyak, dia nak pulas balik tu sebu sikit. Dia macam sebu sikit lah. Aduh. Tapi sejuk kan. Oi, macam peti ais tu. Dia punya sejuk macam peti ais tu. Sejuk. Sejuk geng. Gila.
One hour later.
Okay, so sekarang kita selesai makan. Keadaan sejuk geng. Sejuk gila geng. So kita akan naik atas. Kita try naik atas kalau boleh. Kalau tak boleh kita patah balik lah. Okay, so jom.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on.
Okay geng, so aku rasa itu sahaja untuk video kali ini. Okay, so harap kita berjumpa lagi di next video insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum, bye. Thank you for the subscribe. Jangan lupa like dan komen geng. Okay, bye.